Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the egg launcher from Fortnite. I know a lot of you guys have requested this, so let's get started with a quick sketch and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw the front portion of this egg launcher. So we're going to draw this huge kind of rectangle, so we're going to go out. So it's pretty long, and then here, come out a little bit and just draw a little bit of a curve around it for now. And then we're gonna go out, same line. Okay, and then just try to draw an angle right here. So this is gonna be the front of the launcher. And then I guess we can, let's draw the barrel. So right around here, this one's easy, just draw like a little rectangular shape in there. And then, so this is gonna be the front part, and we're gonna draw in just like a little, right in the middle here. It's gonna be a little bit of a grip. Slant it, and then come down straight. And then just close it off with a nice curve. Okay, and then in here, there's just a little bit of detail. It looks like some kind of valve, so just draw like a little handle right here. Put a line through that, and then we're gonna draw some tubing in here. So just draw like a little, we're seeing it from the side, so, and then we'll just close that off. Okay, so let's move on. I'll draw the details in later. So here we're gonna continue on. We're gonna draw a smaller rectangle in here, just so that we can separate out the shapes. And then right here in the middle, we're gonna come out, and then we're gonna come down here. So we're gonna draw this long rectangle here, and this is where it's gonna hold those, whatever those little bottles of eggs are, I guess. So this is the midpoint, so just double that. Okay, and then from here, now let's draw in some of those canisters, I guess. So right here, we'll draw one. So it's a little bit off center, and then another one on the bottom. So once we have those two, we're gonna draw the canisters. So we're gonna come out and angle, and just kind of come straight across, and then just kind of come back down again. And you can probably make those a little bit smoother. Mine's a little bit angular. And then on this bottom one, we'll draw another one. Come out, extend it. Close it off, and then from here we're gonna draw one more up here. This is gonna be on the back because there's a bunch of them, right? So we're gonna extend this, come out, close it off, and then there's gonna be more in here that we can't see on the other side. So just draw a line there, and maybe we'll just draw another one there. Okay, so now it looks like there's a bunch of them in there. Okay, so from here let's draw in the grip. So right around this line here, just draw one line across. Okay, and then we're gonna come down at a slant. Then we're gonna curve it. And then we're gonna go back up right about to the same point, probably a little bit past, and then we're gonna slant it back. So that's the grip. And then here's the trigger. So nice and simple. Okay, so from here, we need to draw in some of this middle tubing, because this is where it gets a little bit tricky. So if you come up right around here, this is a tube. So let's draw that, and then we're gonna curve this up. Okay, so right around those canisters, and then we're gonna keep going up. Okay, and then here we're gonna curve it this way. Come through, and then right here, come through, close it off, draw a little rectangle here, and then we're gonna continue this line. Okay, so I know this is kind of floating in the midair, but we'll fix that. So we're gonna come back here, and we're gonna draw just like almost like a square. Okay. And then here in the middle, there's gonna be one Looks like some kind of railing. And then here looks like some kind of dial. Kind of hard to see. And then looks like there's a little bit of detail, so I'll just draw a little bit of that. Okay, and then from here, now I can finish up this back area right here. We're gonna come out a little bit, come down, and then angle, just close it off. So it's a little bit of detail, not too much. And then for the stock, it's very small. So right here, we just draw 2 lines coming out. And then we're gonna slant this down a little bit. And then again, there's a little bit of hook right here. And then now we just extend this into one long rectangle. And it looks like some detail, so I'll just draw in a line just to make it a little bit more complicated. Okay, and then from here, let's finish off this area. There's another tube right here. So just draw like a little tube just going straight across. And then we're gonna finish off this. We need to connect this. So we just draw one simple line there. Okay, so now let's see. I know there's a rabbit in here. So there's some vents right here. So what you can do is you can just draw 3 lines here first. Okay, and then now you can just draw in a little bit of a vent shape. Extend it upward a little bit. Okay, and then let's see, should we do the rabbit first, or let's do the egg canister since it's gonna be simpler. So here you just do, I'm just gonna draw these like egg decorations almost. So you can do whatever you want. I'm just gonna keep it simple, color it differently, and we'll see how it looks. But in the meantime, just any kind of shape will do. So maybe some slanted ones. Maybe another one here, and then that's just simple curves. Okay, and then inside here, maybe something different, I don't know. Just something. So now we can draw in the rabbit. So this, we're gonna keep it simple because it could be a little bit, gets a little crazy. So here, the eye. Okay, we just draw 2, kind of mean looking. Okay, and then the nose, and then the snout. So then the head, top of his head, and I'm just kind of, I'm doing it fast. This big ear, so I don't want to spend too much time on these graphics, because you can actually, just skip this graphic if you want. Here's the side, then finish off the face here. I'm just gonna come across, and it's gonna be another ear on the back. Okay, and then from here, we can actually draw in his legs first. So okay, and then come down, come across. That's his hind legs, and then his front legs gonna be folded here. Okay, and then his backside. Let's go around, close it off with a tummy, and then his tail, something like that. It's really crude, and it looks like there's gonna be an egg here. So again, you can decorate it however you want, and if you want, we can add in a little bit of detail here and there just to make it a little bit more complicated, so it looks a little bit cooler. And that's it for this egg launcher from Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.